If you want to customize the sidebar handle or the edge panels handle on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, then first of all we need to go to settings. Here scroll down to display settings, and then in display settings scroll down again in order to find edge panels and tap on the option. Then we have handle, where we can change the position of the handle, move it to the left and to the right. You can also use these two arrows here in the circle in order to change the position of the handle, so you can move it up and down. And then also we can lock the handle position, so we cannot really customize it or change it by accident. We can also change the style, so we can change the color. We have the transparency, so we can set it to low so that the white color is, for example, less transparent. Then we also have the size, so we can make it a little bit taller or smaller. And we also have the width, so we can make it thicker, for example. And that is essentially it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!